Hello and welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In this video we're going to show you how to use ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is among the best VPNs on the market, which you can install on a plethora of devices and platforms such as Windows, iOS, macOS, Linux, Android, and even routers and smart TVs. Today we'll show you how to use ExpressVPN on the Windows PC, but rest assured all ExpressVPN's apps are more or less the same. So, what you'll learn today, you'll be able to use when dealing with other ExpressVPN's apps, such as those on your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or any other device. Without further ado, let's show you how to use ExpressVPN. The first thing we want to show you is how to connect to a server you want, and doing so is very easy. All you have to do is click here to open the server list, and then choose all locations. For example, let's say you want to connect to a server from Europe. What you need to do is click on Europe, and as you can see, ExpressVPN offers quite a lot of countries. So for example, let's connect to a server in Spain by clicking on Spain and then on the connection button. Now ExpressVPN establishes a connection. To disconnect, of course, just click on this button right here and ExpressVPN disconnects. To connect to a server, you can also double click on the server. So let's say you want to connect to Spain once again, you can just double click on it and ExpressVPN will establish connection all the same. To disconnect, once again, click on this button right here. Now, as you can see, ExpressVPN offers one feature that's called Smart Location. In this case, ExpressVPN will automatically decide the best server for you in terms of performance and speed, so you can browse the web, enjoy torrenting or streaming swiftly. If you want to connect to a smart location, all you have to do is just click once, and as you can see, ExpressVPN establishes a connection. So, what about other settings? To access them, you need to click here on these three horizontal lines, and as you can see, there are a few features. For example, you can open the speed test, which tests each server for speed index, latency, and download speed. Of course, to run the test, you want to click on Run Test and wait until ExpressVPN finishes. To stop it, just click on Stop Test. Now, let's open more settings by clicking on Options. Here, you can find ExpressVPN's features, such as Network Lock, which is basically a kill switch that you can enable or disable. Then you have split tunneling, which lets you manage connections on a per app basis. So for example, if you click here, you can choose which apps to use the VPN and which apps to bypass the VPN tunnel. Then, if you click on the protocol menu, you can change the protocols from Lightway, OpenVPN, IKEV2 and IPsec. We recommend keeping this option at automatic because ExpressVPN is very good at deciding which protocol is needed for a particular case. Then, if you click on the browsers menu, you can easily get ExpressVPN's browser extensions, which are by the way free, although ExpressVPN is not free. Lastly, if you click on advanced options, you can enable or disable IPv6 leak protection, DNS, and tweak different network settings. So, as you can see, ExpressVPN is fairly easy to use even if you're a beginner. The good news is that you don't have to tweak any settings. In fact, you can use ExpressVPN out of the box by just opening the app, connecting to the server you want, and accessing any geo-restricted website. If you're watching this video, you probably have this application and you're wondering how to use ExpressVPN. However, if you don't have ExpressVPN and you're hesitant because you don't know how to use it, let us tell you about it more. This is the best premium VPN on the market that offers an array of features ranging from the zero logging policy and military-grade encryption to 3000 servers in 94 countries around the world. ExpressVPN even works in China and is great to use for streaming and torrenting due to its fastest speeds. Simply put, not a single free VPN will offer the same level of performance, and this is why we don't recommend using free VPNs. In that case, you can at least save 49% on ExpressVPN's annual plan and get 3 months free on top of that. And if you don't want to use it anymore or you don't like it, simply use a 30-day money-back guarantee and get a full reimbursement within the first 30 days. If you want to get this deal, you can just use the following link, comparative-vpn.fr/evpn, or just click on the link in the description. This is all you have to know about how to use ExpressVPN. As you had a chance to see, it's very simple and connecting to a server takes no more than a few seconds. So, next time you want to encrypt your connection and stay secure and anonymous online, you know what to do. Open ExpressVPN, connect to any of the 3000 servers, and enjoy full anonymity and privacy online. So, that was all for today's video. We hope you liked it, and if you did, Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and stay with us because many more VPN related guides are coming soon. See you in the next video. Bye.